So let me do that. So over here and zoom in. There you go. Aha.
Very interesting. Yeah, that was very interesting. And stupid. You remember him from the 60s? Huh? Well, today is a day where the battery was dead. And the battery was running the...
Oop, didn't see that.
The satellite receiver. 2 days of satellite receiver and the battery gaga. Gaga. Well, we got the CAA coming to give me a boost, and we had the charger on, and it just about went. It's a good time to shave because, you know, you're standing around waiting for the batteries to charge. Yeah. So this is the first day of September. 9 days to go. 9-day countdown. When you're trimming your stash, once the stubble starts to get long, then you don't have to worry about eating any bristles, because if the hairs are long, it won't pick it up, but it'll pick up the little guys. For sure of that.
Oh, yeah. And of course, you got to leave a bit of hair in the ears. Kids like that because, you know, they get to say, "Oh, that's gross." Yeah, you got to leave the hair in there, so you can look like Walter Matthau. You have to walk funny too, like Walter Matthau walks.